If you're wondering why your views aren't growing despite your efforts in creating quality content and uploading consistently, you might be missing a crucial step in the upload process. It's not about editing or thumbnail design, it's about visibility settings. A small mistake here can significantly impact your video's reach. If you've been uploading your videos directly as public, this could be holding your channel back. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the correct way to upload your videos so YouTube can effectively process your content, recommend it to the right audience, and help you gain more views and subscribers. When you upload a video on YouTube, you'll see several options under Visibility: Public, Unlisted, Private, Schedule, and Premiere. Many small creators rush to hit Public as soon as the upload is complete. However, this approach can be detrimental to your video's performance. Publishing your video immediately doesn't allow YouTube's algorithm enough time to analyze your title, thumbnail, and description, which is essential for understanding your video's content. Without proper understanding, YouTube might recommend your video to the wrong audience. For example, if your video is about gaming but gets recommended to viewers interested in tech reviews, they might skip it. When viewers skip your video, YouTube interprets it as uninteresting content, even though the real issue is misdirected recommendations. This results in a drop in your click-through rate, reduced watch time, and your video disappearing from recommendations, wasting all your effort. Here's what you shouldn't do. Don't publish your videos directly as public. Avoid using instant premiere unless you're creating cinematic content, comedy skits, or music videos. Don't upload using the YouTube app or YouTube Studio app, as these don't send proper notifications to your subscribers, causing you to miss out on key settings. Instead, here's the right way to upload your video. Use the YouTube Studio dashboard on your browser. Whether you're on your phone or computer, open Chrome or any browser and log into YouTube Studio from there, not the app. This gives you access to an important feature: publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. This feature works only on desktop, ensuring your subscribers see your new uploads. To schedule your video smartly, go to Visibility or Schedule and choose a future date and time. For instance, if today is April 14th, schedule it for April 15th or later. Allow YouTube at least 24 hours to process everything behind the scenes. This helps the algorithm better understand your content and make informed decisions on recommendations. You don't need to be online when your video goes live. YouTube manages it automatically. You can even upload and schedule multiple videos in one day, and YouTube will release them according to your plan. Here's a quick recap. Stop uploading your videos directly as public. Don't rely on the YouTube or Studio app to upload. Always use the desktop YouTube Studio dashboard. Always schedule your videos to give YouTube the time it needs to do its job properly. Creating great content is just one aspect of growing on YouTube. Understanding how the platform operates behind the scenes is what differentiates slow growth from significant momentum. If this advice helped you, subscribe to the channel for more practical tips like this. And don't forget to hit the bell to never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.